Okay, so these onions, you plant one like this, and these are called bunching onions, where once they grow out, you have a whole mess of onions. And if you want some of these grow really, really well in the high desert. If you want some of these, just make a post if you're up in the high desert, Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia, and I will either deliver them or meet you somewhere and give you some. But you can see they're green onions, and they're really tasty. Oh, and this is my helper. Okay. And all you have to do is really stick them in the ground. And as I peel off more, there'll be more underneath. Okay. So there you go. Nice long green onions.